Once upon a time, love ilikuwa kama finish line. One time for all the mad runs I did to earn it. Hakuna pain kama assumption ya love's existence. Usipoelewa love's price was paid kwa cross. Kama wind utapiga routes. Kama mats zikipiga laps away from kuta watu championships. But kila mtu ana siku yake, tugange ajayo. Kuna light bulb who switch on. I'm groovy for my rhythms. If the beat's mine, there's taps to my dancing. Establish your knowledge. Bila God, hiyo ni mambo mrefu. Swahili sio prize, kizungu sio ticket. But understand your spirit language so your soul can voice its vibration. God is my ultimate vibration. Hata kwenye pits, my soul vibrates his sovereignty. There's a price to pay in both worlds. Moja ni refu kuliko nyingine. Either way, time frame ni trinities. Infinity haina mwisho. Once upon a time, kutoko ilikuwa entitled disaster. Labor pains ni memories when the promise is held in your arms. Usiharakishe chef in your hunger. I have no reference to anger. You meant it for evil, but God used it for good. Kwani God hutumia zote for his glory. Usichukie adui, bila letdowns, pillars zitafall. Anatenda cause lazima push ifike bei. I do not have because I deserve. Chote ni nacho, chote ni chake. Na choose the narrow way. Ukweli ni alinipika kanidrop huku thankfully. I sit at table silently conversing about his ways. Usifuate njia isiyo yako kwani man's thoughts are tucked in between self and his creator. 1 minute niko hapa, the next second I'm in his divine corrections. 1, 2, sometimes ni 3. Kupata sio kuwin, kulose sio kufail. I think kuna feature ya lilicho. You have not for you ask not. Humility ya hiyo understanding ni godly time frames. Huwezi frame God palipo. I don't mean boxes, there's the perspective.